Hello and namaste. Welcome to day 3 of 7-day challenge Begin Here. In today's practice, we will be addressing our lower body. We'll try to access a little stretch and gentle awareness towards the lower body. Try to see how much you can go further deep into and try to see where you're comfortable in. The goal of the practice is to have still breathing, very normal pace breathing. That is what I would like you to focus on more than anything else. Yes, with that, let's get started. Sit up comfortably in any comfortable position. You can add blocks or a pillow underneath your hips and make it more accessible for yourself. Try to observe how your body is feeling. The same practice of scanning and bringing awareness to ourselves. Smallest sense of connection and awareness, any contact that you're making with your skin. The depth of your breath and the calmness of your heart rate. With that, set a simple intention for this beautiful practice. And slowly take your time to open your eyes. It's beautiful. Lovely. Let's get started with getting seated with our legs straight. Okay? When you keep your legs straight, some of us will realize that our spine sinks down like this. If that's the case, please add some pillows underneath your hip and it'll help you sit straighter. I swear, this will help you sit straight. So just try it. Yes, from there, you're just gonna pull the toes towards you and then away from you. Yes, let's do it 10 times. If you can do it slightly faster, go for 20. Yes. Any pops and cracks that you hear is good. Yes. And slowly. 5 more. And now rotating. Yes. Good. Roll it to the left side together. Yes. The clockwise and now anti-clockwise. Awesome. Okay, from here I'm going to encourage you to just shift slightly ahead and lie down on your mat. Yes, get your legs together. See if you can relax your lower back. See if you can relax your neck. And bring the left knee to your chest. Lovely. Stay there just as much as your body can. You don't necessarily have to push it and pull it all the way to your chest. Just as much your body comfortably can. And push it back to center. Same thing on the right side. To the chest. Stay. Chin down, shoulders down. Back center. Again. Left. Center. Right. Center, last one. Left, center, and right, center. From here, this time you're gonna grab the behind, the thighs of your leg, left leg, and extend your leg as much as you can and bend it back. Yes. So you'll feel some shiver happening. That's okay. That's nice. Your body is just trying to push. If you can get it closer to your chest and do the same thing, that's also awesome. If your legs are slightly away from you, you can use a strap to hold your feet or hold it wherever you can and just extend. Work on extending the knee. Yes, 2 more times. Very good. Keep your face relaxed and release. Awesome. Great. From there, you're going to bend the right leg. Wherever you're comfortable, just extend. Again, the leg might not entirely straighten. Just a little bit is also a beautiful practice. Shoulders down. I'm encouraging you to be gentle to yourself in the start of the journey. I promise I will take the time and challenge you. But challenging also comes after you are aware of your body and you can take it. So be considerate to yourself. Whatever's running in your mind is not necessarily always in sync with the body. So let's give what body deserves right now. Slowly release. Lovely. From here, you're going to bend both the knees. Press the heel as down as you can, like you're trying to dig a big hole underneath the floor. So press the heel down, engage, and try to press the palms down and lift up the hips. Keep pushing the heels to the earth as much as you can. And imagine you are squeezing a big ball between your thighs, a gym ball between your thighs. Yes, press it, chin down, relax the neck, and stay. 5, 4, breathing is still going on. 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Beautiful. One more time. Press the heel, lift up the hips, push, 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 and stay. 5, 4, 3, engage the glutes. 2, and press the heel more. 1, and release. Whew. Slowly relax. Get both the legs to your chest as much as you can. Shift it slightly left, slightly right. Good. Slowly, see if you can rock your spine once, like this, and come up. Awesome. From here, let's come back to all fours. Take both the knees on the side and find your way into all fours. Yes, from here, a gentle practice. You're going to just get your right knee between your palms, slide it as much as your body can. It's okay if your heels are higher, that's also the same thing. And push it back. And left. And push it back. Let's do this. Right and back. Left and back. 3 more times. Right and back. Left and back. 2 more times. Right and back. Good. Left and back. Try to go all the way to your maximum and back. Left and back. From here, you're just going to step your right leg between the palms. So if you need to take your right hand off to bring the leg, you can do that. Yes, or if you can directly bring it, that's awesome. Yes, just stay there and push this hip down. Nice. Close your eyes and breathe. With that, push your hip slightly back and see if you can straighten the front leg. Don't move your heel or the knee. Yes, as much as you can. With a gentle smile on the face, you're doing good. And slowly come back front. Take the leg back. Take the left leg ahead this time. This might be a little fast for you. If that's the case, it's okay. Go slow. Stay there, close your eyes. Just breathe. Slowly push the hips back. Yes. And stay. Lovely. You get a good stretch in the hamstring, this region. Slowly go front. Push the leg back. Bring yourself to seated again. Eyes closed. Let the body relax. Try to bring the breath into natural pace. So how do you do that? Give yourself some time. Don't chase anything. Just let it fall into the place. Give yourself a good, nice hug. Tell yourself how grateful you are. Again, it's a very important practice to share gratitude towards everything that is contributing in the process. Be it you, be it the smallest thing that you're surrounded with, be it the people you're surrounded with, and be it your healthy mental space that is helping you stay in this practice or initiate this practice. There's so much that we can be grateful for. Let's start by practicing small gestures of gratefulness. Thank yourself. Nice hug. And gently relax the hands. And see if you can slowly lie down from here on the spine and give yourself a good 2 to 5 minutes rest. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a beautiful day. Thank you.